In prime time news this evening, community members and parents gather at Brayton Primary remembering 8-year-old abducted and killed last week. More death penalty debate as outrage over 8-year-old's murder intensifies. Shootout at police station as gunmen attempt brazen invasion.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Andrea Chisholm.
Janella, this evening we're talking about Scotia Group Jamaica. They reported net income of $7.6 billion for 6 months. That and more in the business day.
Ooh, and Karen Madden is also here. She'll give us a preview of what's to come in sports. Karen?
Well, Herman, celebrations all around as Hockey 5's team qualify for the World Cup and Mount Pleasant lift the first national football title. We'll give you all the details later.
And Romaine is also here with a preview of the weather report and forecast. Romaine?
Thank you, Janella. Now, we have drier conditions expected across most of the island this week. Not much in terms of any rainfall, not until about next week. I'll tell you more in the weather report and forecast.
There's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening. In what ways can CARICOM leaders assist in restoring stability in Haiti?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at TVJ News Center.
Please stay tuned. Primetime News returns after this break.